G'day everyone, welcome back to Lifelong Strong. I'm Ben Goodbrand. The barbell squat is one of the most effective exercises when it comes to building muscle. Today I'm going to show you how to do it safely and effectively. I'll just take this opportunity to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon down there so that you receive notification every time I release a new video. Okay, let's get started. Before we squat, we need to make sure we're set up properly. So we're going to set the J hooks just below shoulder height. Then we're going to put our hands just outside our shoulders on the bar. Step under the bar, resting the bar on the traps. Stand up tall and take a couple of small steps back. Now we'll get our feet in position, slightly wider than shoulder width, feet facing forwards. Now we're ready to squat. The first thing we need to do is get the weight on the heels. And to do this, what I do is I push my hips back just at the start of the movement. This ensures all of the weight is on the heels before I start the descent. It's important to get good depth with the squat. You want your hips to come down in line with your knees or slightly below. You also want your chest up high, not down low. This way you'll be ensuring that you're using your quads to drive that weight up rather than lifting your hips. A good rule of thumb is to pick a weight about 75 to 80% of your 1 rep max and do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. To re-rack the bar, make sure you're standing in the full upright position, walk forward and lower the bar back onto the J hooks. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my other videos in the weightlifting series. If you haven't subscribed already, just a reminder, please do so, and don't forget to turn notifications on so you see my future videos. I'll see you next time.